I've had to live with continence issues for a number of years now. One of the biggest difficulties I think a lot of people face is the embarrassment and shame and stigma around the condition. Um, I'm talking to you now, but obviously a few years ago I would have found it quite difficult to talk openly about it. But I think it's really important to address that, and also, don't be afraid to go to see a professional, health or medical support, or talk to a friend about it, the issue, because although it's embarrassing, talking about it can make a real difference. And I've honestly not had a negative experience, and people have always been very understanding. I think there's a tendency, particularly for guys, it often gets seen as a sort of more of a female issue, a women's problem, and again, it also tends to be seen as an older person's problem, but it can affect anyone of any age. And lots of different people, for lots of different reasons, suffer with continence issues. But there's a lot of shame and embarrassment, and there shouldn't be, because it's just a condition that lots of people have to deal with. And I would really, advise people, if you feel comfortable enough, take it at your own pace. But if you feel comfortable enough to talk to people about the problem, it can really take a massive weight off your shoulders. And don't feel embarrassed or ashamed if you sort of get tongue tied or embarrassed talking about it, because professionals will be used to that. And many people are, if you talk to friends and family, they'll understand about that. But it can make a real difference just being able to sort of talk about the difficulties that you're suffering from, and realize that you're not alone, and there's many people that suffer from similar conditions.